first graders. My name is Mrs. J, and I am so excited that you are in my classroom today. Today we are going to practice our Elkonin boxes, and that is to hear and to write the sounds in words. So I would like that you go to your learning bags and get your Elkonin boxes and keep it inside of the plastic folder because we're going to write on it with our Expo markers so we can erase it. So go ahead and pause the video so you can make your box look like mine. Don't forget your name and the code. And when you are ready, push play so we can start our lesson. Great. Okay, we are going to start our first word. We are going to write the word tap. Let's listen. How many sounds do you hear in tap? I want you to mark a circle under every box for each sound you hear. So let's do this together. We're going to listen for the sounds in tap. Good. That is going to be our word tap. There are 3 sounds in the word tap. Okay, are you ready? Let's make the first sound. Our first sound is T. Make sure that you start at the top when you write the letter T. All the way to the bottom line and cross. Good. You wrote the letter T for tap. Our next sound is A. The letter name is A. For the letter A, we start with a C and we go up and down. And be sure that you're keeping your letters on the bottom line. Our last sound in the word tap is the sound P. The letter name is P. We get to go underground. We're going to drag our line underground and circle around. We just wrote the word tap. T-A-P. Let's write it. That your letters look like mine. So your best handwriting. If you make a little mistake, that's okay. You can erase. And you can try again. Does your paper look like Mrs. J's? Tap. Let's start our next word. Now we're going to write the word Sam. Our first sounds inside that we hear are S, A, M. S, A, M. We have 3 sounds in the word Sam. So our first sound is the S. What letter name is that? Yes, the letter S. Good job. Curl around and land on the bottom. Our next sound is A. The letter name is A. We start by making a C and jump up and bring it down. A. What is our last sound? Can you make that for me? Good. Our last sound is and the letter name is M. Great. Sam. Look at how all of my letters are touching the lines and they're not floating up in the air. Sam. Okay, we're going to write that now on our lines. We're going to write all lowercase letters so they're all going to stay below the middle line. Sam. Our last word is hat. Listen carefully. Hat. We're going to write down how many sounds do we need. Let's try to count. Hat. Okay, our first sound is the letter name is H. We start all the way at the top and come all the way down. And frog them down. We heard that one so much today. We know that the letter name is A. Let's write that. Make a C, come up and down. Our last sound is T. The letter name, T. Start at the top and bring it down. And cross. Hat. Great. We're going to write that on the line. Hat. Perfect. And remember, if the video goes too fast, you can pause it to catch up. So your final paper is looking nice, so good. I'm so excited that you're doing this with me today. At the very bottom, we're going to write our sentence together. And remember, we always walk out our sentences. So we are going to write the sentence. I tap my hat. And we need to remember how many words are there. Okay, this is how we're going to walk it out. You're going to be able to get up out of your chairs and wiggle around and watch how I do it. I tap my hat. Period. Okay, let's do it together. Wiggle around. Ready? I tap my hat. Period. How many words are we going to write? Yes. 4. We are going to write 4 words. Here we go. We're writing the word I, a sight word. I, all together. And it's a capital I. I tap my hat. Period. Remember, don't forget the period. Perfect. I am so proud of you for working on this today, and I really want to send a big thank you for watching my video today and joining me in Mrs. J's class. I will see you later.